Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Squared Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll look at how you can add slide numbers to your PowerPoint presentations for quick navigation and reference. Adding a slide number to a presentation can be helpful as a reference when you're sharing handouts digitally, you want to quickly move to a specific slide, or you want an easy reference to a slide location, especially when you're sharing a presentation virtually. You'll notice in this presentation that the slide number appears in the bottom right-hand corner. You also will have the option to add slide numbers on individual slides or to exclude the presentation title slides. Let's look at how you can apply a slide number to your presentation. Here's a simple presentation example that's one of the thousands of options that are available in PowerPoint under File New. To add a slide number, you could do that through the slide sorter view, normal view, or even the slide master. We start simply by going to the Insert tab and then choosing Header and Footer. From this dialog box, you can enable some key placeholders, and these include date and time, slide number, and footer. In this case, I'll choose the slide number, and we can see in the preview the location for those different placeholders. So right now the slide number will appear in the bottom right-hand corner. We also have the option Don't Show on Title Slide. In this case, I'll add it to every single one of the slides in this presentation, but know that that's an option. Because I'm in the presentation versus the slide master view, I could choose Apply to only add it to this one slide. And so if you wanted to customize which slides this was added to, this would be your option. But I'll go ahead and choose Apply All. Now before I do that, note that you also have this option to customize your notes and handouts with similar options: date and time, page number, header and footer. Let's go ahead and apply to all. And it's pretty subtle here, but the slide number is appearing in the bottom right hand corner. So I'm going to double click on this slide to shift to the normal view. Right now the slide number appears in the bottom right hand corner. There's two things I want to do: make it bigger, easier to see, and change the location. So we do that from the slide master. We'll move there from the View tab. And here is Slide Master. If you'd like to learn more about working with the PowerPoint Slide Master, check out the description below for a link to another video I've created specifically on the PowerPoint Slide Master. So from here we have the different masters that help to feed or to describe the layout for these individual slides. For this presentation then, the slide number is showing up in the bottom right-hand corner. This is something I could have enabled directly from the Slide Master, here again from the Insert tab, and then Header and Footer. And so if you're anticipating that you may want to change the location or the appearance, this might be your approach versus what we just looked at. To change the appearance, we need to move to that placeholder and select it. Now, if you have a lot of different elements in a slide that you're trying to manipulate, sometimes hitting the tab or the Shift tab will make it easier for you to select specific items within the Slide Master. Using the Home tab, I'm going to make this bold and really big. Now, this is a lot bigger than what I might need, but it's simply as part of a demonstration so you can see how easy this is to work with. I'm going to move this to the upper right-hand corner of the slide, and that just becomes an easy reference for me. Now let's go ahead and return back to our normal view or our slide sorter view to see how this works. So we can simply choose Slide Master and close that view, or choose the View tab to simply move to a different view. In this case then, our slide number appears in the upper right hand corner. Now if for some reason you want to have a different starting number, that is, this simply starts at 1, you can do that as well. And this might be a situation where you already have an earlier slide deck that's going to be presented first, and then you'll move to this one. To make that change, we go to Design, Slide Size, and Custom Slide Size. Now, we actually aren't going to be changing anything about the dimensions of the slides, but this is where we can change the starting number. And so if I wanted this to start at 12 rather than 1, I could simply enter that in and choose OK. And since this is the second slide, we'll move to the title slide, and you can see that that starting number was changed very easily. As slides are added and moved around, the slide number automatically will update. In this K-Squared Tech Tip, you've seen how to save time and effort adding slide numbers to a PowerPoint presentation and formatting the slide numbers to give you the results you want. How can we help you be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.